My name is Vanessa. I'm the leader and the first presenter for our group. Today, we'll be introducing the topic about big data and NoSQL. So what is big data? Big data represent massive and complex data sets that traditional data management cannot be handled. It usually categorized by three Vs framework, which is volume, velocity, and variety. First, volume is refers to the massive scale of data. If the volume of data is large enough, it can be considered as the big data. Next, velocity. Velocity means the speed of the data and how fast it can be transferred. Velocity applies to the speed at which this information arrives and the speed at which it needs to be digested and analyzed. And the third, variety. Variety describes the diversity of data types. The challenge in variety concerns the standardizations and distribution of all data being collected because the data can be unstructured, semi-structured, and structured. So where is the big data come from? Big data come from social media, mobile apps, IoT sensor, online platform, and others. For example, when people use social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, large amount of data will be generated. So big data system will collect this data such as one user watch or like and store it to analyze their interest and behavior to generate the related video they will interest. Lastly, why big data is useful? This is because it helps organizations alike analyze large amount of information to discover patterns and trends. By doing so, they can make a better decisions, predict future behavior, and improve product and service. Next part, I will pass to Junsu.
So thank you, Vanessa. My name is Tan Jun Soo, and now I'm going to talk about big data technology and tools. There are four main types of big data technologies, which are data storage, data mining, data analytics, and data visualization. Data storage can fetch, store, and manage big data. It also includes infrastructures that make it easy for users to store data. For example, Apache Hadoop is an open source software platform that stores and processes big data in a distributed computing environment across hardware clusters. And MongoDB is a NoSQL database that you can use to store large volume of data. Data mining is used to extract useful patterns and trends from the raw data, and it explains the target data set and use machine learning algorithms to predict results. RapidMiner is a data mining tool that you can use to build predictive models and draw on these two roles as strengths of processing and preparing data. Other than that, Presto is an open source query engine that was originally developed by Facebook to run analytic queries against its large dataset. Data analytic tools are used to clean and convert data into information that determines business choices and create algorithms and models and perform predictive analytics. Apache Spark is a popular big data tool for data analytic and because it is fast and efficient at running applications. And Splunk, which is another popular big data analytic tool for deriving insights from large datasets and the ability to generate graphs, charts, reports, and dashboards. Lastly, data visualization is the representation of data through the use of common graphics such as chart, plot, infographics, and even animations. This visual graphic express complex data relationship and data-driven insights in a way that is easy to understand. Tableau is a very popular tool in data visualization because it is a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to create pie charts, bar charts, box plot, and more. Looker is used to understand big data analytics and share insights with other teams, including a query that you can configure charts, graph, dashboards, and other data visualization. So that's all from me. So now I'm going to pass to Jing Rong.
Thank you, Junshi. My name is Chong Jingrong. Now I will explain the key characteristic of NoSQL databases. NoSQL stands for not only SQL. Instead of fixed table and schemas, it uses flexible structure like document, key value pair, wide columns, and graph. One major characteristic is that NoSQL databases are schemaless. Data does not need a fixed structure. Another key feature is high scalability, especially horizontal scaling. When more data or traffic comes in, we can simply add more machines. NoSQL also use a distributed architecture where data is stored across multiple servers. This provides high availability and fault tolerance. Additionally, NoSQL handles large amounts of unstructured data such as JSON document, logs, or social media contents. Lastly, NoSQL focuses on high performance, offering fast read and write by reducing heavy operations like joins. That's all my present. Thank you.
Thank you, Jingrong. I'm Edward questioning, and now I will talk about types of NoSQL database and their use cases. First, document database. Base database store information in flexible JSON, BSON, or XML documents. It's used in content management, web application, product catalogs, user profiles, chat application, and real-time applications. Next, key value stores is the simplest form of NSQL, NoSQL. It's focused on speed, storing data as simple key-value pairs. It's used in catching real-time leaderboards, cloud-based scalable applications. Third, column-oriented database store data by columns instead of rows. It's used for real-time analytics, IoT applications, large-scale machine learning models, applications that require distributed storage. Finally, graph database focus on relationship. Data is stored as node connect by edge, allowing fast traversal and real-time insight. It's used in social networking website, knowledge graphs, and AI recommendation. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.